9 foods that will cleanse your kidneys fast. The human body is a complex interaction of organs and systems, each contributing to maintaining the good health that sustains our lives. Among these, the kidneys are very well-known heroes for performing a multitude of essential functions for our overall well-being. The kidneys not only serve to filter waste from the body, but they also regulate blood pressure, produce red blood cells, and maintain the balance of essential minerals in our body. In this video, we'll delve into the science behind 9 powerful foods that help cleanse our kidneys quickly and effectively. Watermelon. Watermelon, with its delicious sweetness and high water content, transcends its reputation as a mere summer treat. Beneath its juicy exterior lies a source of hydration and kidney support compounds. The kidneys, responsible for filtering waste and excess fluid, thrive with adequate hydration. Watermelon's water content, combined with its natural sugars, helps these vital organs function optimally. However, the unsung hero of watermelon is citrulline, which is a natural amino acid. Citrulline not only improves hydration, but also plays a role in promoting vasodilation. This process involves the relaxation and widening of blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow, particularly to the kidneys. By creating an environment where blood circulates more efficiently, citrulline helps the kidneys expel waste more effectively, supporting their overall health and function. Cucumbers. Cucumbers, often praised for their refreshing crunch and low-calorie content, emerge as more than just a salad staple. Cucumbers' high water content contributes to optimal hydration, promoting the elimination of toxins through increased urine production. This inherent diuretic property helps maintain the delicate balance of fluids in the body. In addition to their hydrating capabilities, cucumbers are rich in antioxidants, including beta-carotene and flavonoids. These antioxidants act as defenders against oxidative stress, neutralizing harmful free radicals that could otherwise lead to cellular damage. In the context of kidney health, this protective mechanism becomes crucial, as the kidneys, constantly involved in filtering blood and managing intricate biochemical processes, are particularly susceptible to oxidative damage. Moreover, the fiber content in cucumbers adds another layer of support. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and aiding in the efficient elimination of waste from the body. This dual action of hydration and antioxidant protection makes cucumbers formidable allies for those looking for good kidney health. Blueberries. The vibrant color of blueberries not only attracts our attention to them, but also means there is the presence of anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants with far-reaching benefits. In cleaning kidney health, these antioxidants prove to be key players in reducing oxidative stress. By reducing inflammation in the kidneys, blueberries protect against potential cellular damage, contributing to the overall resilience of these vital organs. Anthocyanins, in addition to their antioxidant properties, have anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation can compromise kidney function over time, leading to conditions like chronic kidney disease. The anti-inflammatory nature of blueberries becomes a crucial aspect of their contribution to kidney health, offering a protective shield against inflammatory processes that could affect kidney function. As we celebrate the delicious burst of flavor in each blueberry, we must also recognize the intricate molecular churning that takes place inside your body, working synergistically to strengthen our kidneys against the challenges they face. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale and other verdant varieties, represent nature's nutrient-rich elixir for kidney health. These vegetables, closely associated with general well-being, go beyond their reputation, offering a wealth of vitamins and minerals crucial for the proper functioning of the kidneys. Vitamins A and C occupy the center of the green leafy set. Vitamin A, vital for maintaining healthy renal epithelial cells, contributes to the structural integrity of the kidneys. Meanwhile, vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, protects against oxidative stress, reducing the risk of cell damage. Folate, another key component of leafy greens, assists the kidneys in efficiently processing and eliminating waste. Leafy greens, with their nutritional richness, become essential players in orchestrating kidney health. Integrating these greens into the diet not only supports detoxification processes, but also provides a holistic approach to nourishing the overall well-being of the kidneys. Garlic. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and characteristic flavor, its usefulness goes beyond cooking as it contains a multitude of medicinal properties. At the heart of its therapeutic allure is allicin, an organosulfur compound with potent health benefits. When it comes to kidney health, garlic proves to be a tasty ally, offering anti-inflammatory and antibacterial support. The anti-inflammatory properties of allicin are particularly relevant for kidney health. Inflammation, if left unchecked, can contribute to the development of kidney disease. By reducing inflammation in the kidneys, garlic serves as a natural mechanism to protect these vital organs from potential damage. Additionally, garlic's antibacterial effects extend a protective shield to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can negatively affect kidney function. Including garlic in the diet becomes not only a culinary delight, but also a strategic move in supporting the intricate balance of kidney health. Ginger. Ginger, well known for its spicy touch and aromatic notes, this root has a variety of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that benefit kidney health. Chronic inflammation, a common precursor to many health problems, poses a threat to the delicate balance of kidney function. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory power, makes a valuable addition to the kidney cleansing repertoire. The active compounds in ginger, including gingerol, help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. This reduction in inflammatory responses translates into a protective shield for the kidneys, promoting an environment conducive to optimal renal well-being. Furthermore, the antioxidant properties of ginger further strengthen its role in kidney health. By neutralizing free radicals, ginger protects the kidneys against oxidative stress, a common challenge faced by these organs due to their continuous filtration processes. Whether used to season food, or even as a soothing tea, ginger becomes a delicious and therapeutic strategy for improving kidney health. Cranberries. Cranberries, with their natural acidity, not only stimulate the taste buds, but also serve as dynamic detoxifiers for the kidneys. The antioxidant content of cranberries, including proanthocyanidins, works synergistically to prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract. This dual action not only reduces the risk of urinary tract infections, but also protects the kidneys from potential complications. When it comes to kidney health, cranberry's ability to prevent bacterial adhesion becomes a critical line of defense. Urinary tract infections, if left untreated, can spread to the kidneys, leading to diseases such as pyelonephritis. By incorporating cranberries or pure cranberry juice in moderation into the diet, individuals add a spicy yet effective dimension to their kidney cleanse routine. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel and trout, exhibit a different strategy in the kidney cleansing mission, due to their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties, are essential in reducing the risk of kidney disease. The intricate dance of these essential fatty acids, at the molecular level contributes to the overall strengthening of kidney health. In the context of kidney health, the anti-inflammatory nature of omega-3 plays a key role. Chronic inflammation, often arising from kidney disease, finds a formidable adversary in these essential fatty acids. By modulating inflammatory responses in the kidneys, fatty fish becomes a source of support that goes beyond mere cleansing, offering a foundation for sustained kidney well-being. Furthermore, the omega-3 fatty acids present in fatty fish contribute to reducing triglyceride levels in the blood, indirectly benefiting kidney health. High triglyceride levels can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition that can compromise blood flow to the kidneys. By promoting cardiovascular health, fatty fish indirectly support optimal kidney function. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, including oranges, lemons, grapefruit and limes, offer more than just a burst of refreshing flavor, they provide a vital boost of vitamin C for kidney health. Vitamin C, known for its antioxidant properties, becomes a proactive measure against certain kidney-related problems. One of vitamin C's main roles in kidney health is its impact on preventing the formation of kidney stones. By adjusting the acidity of urine, Vitamin C inhibits the crystallization of minerals, reducing the likelihood of kidney stone formation. Incorporating citrus fruits into snacks or meals becomes not only a zesty addition to the diet, but also a strategic move to provide the kidneys with a natural defense mechanism. Furthermore, the antioxidant properties of vitamin C help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. As the kidneys engage in continuous filtration of the blood, they become exposed to free radicals that can potentially lead to cellular damage. The inclusion of citrus fruits becomes a tasty strategy to strengthen the kidneys against oxidative challenges. These kidney health powerhouses from nature's bounty also contain a diversity of flavors, textures, and compounds that work in harmony to support optimal kidney function. From the hydrating heroism of watermelon to the tart detoxifying properties of citrus fruits, each of the new foods highlighted contributes uniquely to the intricate dance of kidney health. Integrating these foods into your diet goes beyond their kidney cleansing power. It becomes a holistic approach to nourishing the body with the inherent security that nature offers. As we unlock the potential among varied nutrient options, we embark on a journey toward well-being and sustained vitality. However, it is essential to approach dietary changes taking into account individuals' health conditions. Consultation with healthcare professionals remains essential for personalized guidance, ensuring that the integration of these foods aligns perfectly with each person's unique health outlook. By incorporating these foods into our culinary tapestry, we commit to an act of self-care, promoting kidney health and laying the foundation for a resilient and vibrant life. By understanding and appreciating the diverse benefits that each food brings to the table, we empower ourselves with the knowledge to make informed choices for the sustained well-being of our rinses and, by extension, our overall health. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.